From ancient organisms to energy source, the formation of oil and gas. Hey there! Can you believe that most of our energy needs today come from fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas? These unique high-energy fuels are non-renewable resources that took millions of years to form. Way back, about 2 billion years ago, marine organisms like algae and tiny animals and plants died and settled on the ocean floor, buried under layers of sediment. Over time, without oxygen, these fossils transformed into a substance called keratin through intense heat and pressure. And guess what? Over millions of years, keratin gradually changed into oil or gas. The whole process takes at least 1 million years, can you imagine? Oil and gas are hydrocarbons made up of hydrogen and carbon atoms. The Earth's crust, constantly moving and under pressure, squeezes oil and gas through tiny spaces between rocks, like pores. Some of it even makes its way to the surface and seeps out naturally onto land or water. But often, it gets trapped beneath impermeable layers of rock, like in faults and folds in the crust. And that's how oil and gas deposits start building up and forming reservoirs, like huge sponges filled with oil and gas. These reservoirs can be as massive as a city. To find these oil and gas deposits, geologists use different techniques, like seismic surveys, gravitational surveys, and geological mapping. Seismic surveys use reflected sound waves to create a 3D view of the Earth's interior. And with new technologies, like 4-dimensional projections and fancy graphic renderings of rock structures, we're getting even better at finding conventional oil and gas deposits. You know what's cool? There are also unconventional oil and gas resources, which are currently harder or pricier to extract. People are even looking into alternative and renewable sources of energy, like biofuels or harnessing the power of the sun. So, what do you think the energy sources of the future will be? In a world with limited energy resources, we're exploring more efficient ways of tapping into unconventional oil and gas, or even turning to alternative and renewable sources of energy. It's an exciting time, and we're constantly discovering new ways to power our world. Who knows what the future holds? But one thing's for sure, we're always looking for innovative solutions to meet our energy needs while taking care of our planet. Thanks for watching.